Meet Arman. He is a very smart, hardworking, creative and enthusiastic young man who has a master's degree in IT. It's already a year that he has been looking for an appropriate job. He is already thinking of giving up and taking another career direction.
And now meet Marina. She is a recruiter who has a lack of qualified employees. Let's introduce them to each other.
Marina, do you like Arman? Does Arman meet your requirements? Arman, do you know Java?
Now let's imagine the same situation with Pivot. Arman was still searching for a job, and he came across to Pivot. He found the job that he wanted, but he didn't know Java. But Pivot could solve this problem, and it did. The site suggested him a programming and training center, after which he would definitely get the wanted job.
3 weeks later.
So, with the help of Pivot, Arman got his dream job, and Marina finally found the perfect employee she had been looking for a long time.
Hello, and welcome to Pivot Platform. Pivot is a unique platform that has 3 primary functions. It helps to find your dream job, create most required courses, and have most talented employees. In other words, our platform is the pivot of your success. Today, the hiring process is a costly, lengthy, and tiring process for all the parties involved.
So what is Pivot? Pivot is an innovative employee recruitment platform designed to benefit job seekers, training centers, and recruiters. With Pivot, companies will not waste time and resources on searching for suitable candidates, interviewing them, and training them after offering the job. They will get talented employees perfectly fitted for their team and environment who are already trained and ready to work for the benefit of the company. Training centers will get a high flow of students and opportunity to contribute to the development of IT sphere in Armenia. Job seekers will get the job of their dreams and a lot of useful skills in the process of obtaining their job.
And here is our business model canvas with its unique value propositions. So, what's unique about Pivot? First of all, we provide high-tech industry jobs and trainings needs short and mid-term predictions. Secondly, real-time job market needs assessment. And finally, we also do real-time training needs recommendations. We also have some other features, like we propose personalized career advice for the high-tech industry, high-tech industry HR resources availability real-time map, and high-tech training availability real-time map.
And now let's together discover our implementation plan. Our idea was developed during computer sciences class and was initially considered to be in the frames of our university and only, but we decided to get out of the borders. But first we want to consult with specialists, training centers, and etc. Then, we want to participate in contests and international programs. We are sure that this will be a great opportunity and experience for us. Then we want to find finances and people to be our sponsors. After that, we will have to put efforts to find companies and training centers that will agree to cooperate with us during the trial period. And finally, we will create the demo version of our product. After involving more training centers and companies, we will be able to create the final version of our product. Making mobile apps will make our app more available for everyone. After that, we will promote and spread our program via social media. And finally, in 2023 and 2024, we will create our small little first office.
Even though our project is not easy to realize, we believe in its success, and we believe that Pivot will change the traditional ways of hiring by providing a more productive approach. Now, we will demonstrate it to you. Welcome to Pivot webpage.
Here you can see our job seeker user homepage. We are going to have another 2 types of pages designed specially for recruiters and training centers. The pages will be different based on user type needs. The training center will be able to access statistical market research and course suggestions on our platform, and companies will be able to access the statistics of progress of their candidates during training and their qualifications. Here you can see an information slider. You will be able to find out more about our project by clicking on the button Find Out More. On the headers, you can see the main sections of the platform designed for the comfortable user experience. A job seeker can perform multiple actions on our platform. Let's go through the most important of them.
Firstly, and most obviously, a job seeker will be able to browse jobs on our platform. If you click on the jobs icon, you will be transferred to the jobs page. Here, our platform, using its AI algorithms, has suggested you the jobs that you like the most. The suggestions are based on your preferences, requirements, location, on your abilities, and qualification. You can also use search bar to search for a specific job. You can search by company name, by position, by location, by salary, and even by tag. If you like a certain job description, you can press View More and you'll see more detailed information about the job. For example, let's say I'm interested in the position of Senior C++ Engineer in TeamViewer Armenia. I click on the button View More and get transferred to the job posting page. Here, I can see the description of responsibilities, benefits, and requirements of a job. If I click on the company name, I will get information about the company. I will know what it specializes in, what it does, and I will also get reviews from their employees. On the bottom of the page, there are two buttons, Apply and View Related Courses. If I don't like this job, I can go back to browsing jobs, but if I do, here I have an opportunity to apply directly on the platform. If I press Apply, my application with all the required information will be sent to the recruiter. I will also be able to add some additional information if I consider it necessary. But what if I don't meet the requirements? Do I have to give up on the job? Not with Pivot.
Pivot has a different approach. I just need to gain the skills that I'm missing. But how? If I press on View Related Courses, I will see a list of suggested courses for this job based on my level of knowing them. These courses are provided by Armenia's leading high-tech training centers. For example, if I consider my knowledge of C++ not enough, I can fill in this gap with the course provided by ACA. To get more details about the course, press View More. Here I have all the information about this course. I can also find out more information about the training center by clicking on it. In the first block, there is information about the duration, cost, training effort, and required knowledge level. Down below, I can find the information about the learning process, projects, certifications, teachers, and the course itself. And again, if I decide to get enrolled in the course, I can apply directly on the platform by pressing the Apply button.
But what if a user is not interested in jobs but just wants to get enrolled in a course to deepen his knowledge of the sphere? And here comes our third section, Courses. If I click on Courses section, I'll be transferred to a page where I will be able to browse trainings from Armenia's best training centers. Here our platform again suggests some trainings that you might like. And you can also search for a specific course by entering a course name, training center, location, tuition fee, duration, and certification. Suppose I'm interested in learning C#, and here I find the course of Object-Oriented C# created by Microsoft Innovation Center in Armenia. If I click View More, I'll be transferred to the course page. Here I have all the necessary information about the course. I can find out more about Microsoft Innovation Center Armenia by clicking on it. In the first block, I can see the details about training duration, cost, and the recommended background. Down below, I can see information about C# and why I learn it. After that, I have general information about course, methods of teaching, and program. And here I can also find out what goals will I have achieved after successfully finishing the course. And eventually, I can get information about the trainer. If I choose to get enrolled in this course, I can apply directly on the platform by clicking on Apply. In future, I will also be able to take admission on exam on the platform.
If you have some problems with our platform or cannot find a certain feature, we have a very good support system. Here you can choose one of the ways. You can chat with chatbot and explain your problem. You will find our chatbot on the right bottom angle. Just enter the message and press send. We will reply as soon as possible. You can also search for the answers in our help section. Here you can find common user problems. Find your problem and click on it. afterwards you will get an explicit guide to its solution. Or you can contact us by pressing contact icon on the head of the platform. Here you can see information about our location, corporate email and phone number. You can also send us a message here. You will need to enter your name, email, subject and the message itself. We will send you an answer to your email as soon as possible.
And now we will tell you about the member pages. Pivot is not just a hiring platform, it is also a professional social network. Here you can make posts, follow people, companies, and training centers. This is our user profile. You can edit it by pressing Edit. To post something, you just need to write what you want to post in this box and press Publish. You can not only post text, but also multimedia files. If you want to get more information about Pivot, click on the About button. Here you can see information about our benefits, our goals, and our team.